So guys, andito kami sa Daisy. Which place is this?
Huh?
Which place is this?
Laxi.
Laxi. Laxi. Oh, they're making this one here. So dito kami nag-move from the hotel sa place ni Daisy. Very homely place. Para lang sa atin, no? Para lang sa Pinas. Naghahanap kami ngayon ng makakainan. Nag-order kami ng omelette. Ayan, si Sonia namimili na ng mga gulay na isasama sa omelette. Ganito dito, guys. Para lang din sa atin.
You want a little bit of chili?
Little bit yun. O-order ka ng food sa ganitong lugar. That looks yummy. So pumasok ulit tayo dito sa 7-Eleven. Bibili kami ng tubig. May nakita akong salad. Naghahanap pa kami ng kakainin. Naka-order pa lang kami ng omelette. Naghahanap kami ng salad. Tapos barbecue. Meron kami nakita sa banduroon. And then fruits.
Seafood, right?
Seafood rice? Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Seafood na.
So take away lang tayo na Sonia. We will eat at home. From the hotel, dito na kami lumipat sa bahay ni Daisy.
So, what do you think of Bangkok so far?
Bangkok? No, I'm loving it now.
Yeah.
We are now in the other city of Bangkok.
Far,
Right?
no, away from like the main.
Wala kami sa main ngayon. Pumunta kami dito outside the city. Guys, ang dami naming nagawa ngayong araw. At at the same time nga nag-check out pa kami sa hotel. Bumiyahe kami dito. So ngayon, nandito kami. Nandito kami sa kanto na naman. O-order ng food. Naka-order na sa ano. What did you order?
Pad See Ew. Chicken.
Patsiu.
It's called drunken noodles.
Drunken noodles. Okay.
Yeah.
And fried rice.
And seafood fried rice.
Salad na lang kailangan natin sa I'm going to eat salad. Kami na ang sumay ako na barbecue dito. Tingnan natin.
อร่อยนะ อร่อย อร่อย อร่อยหนุ่ยปักพูดให้ป้าก่อน อร่อย สุกแล้ว
You want this also?
สุกแล้วหนุ่ยพูดก่อนไม้ละ10 บาทจ้าเอาฟิลิปปินส์มั้ง
Do you want?
อังกฤษ
As Daisy, I think he likes meat.
10 บาท 10 บาท ไม้ละ10 บาท 10 บาท ไม้หนึ่งเนี่ย10 บาท
10 baht. Okay. One piece 10 baht.
กี่ไม้
Oh,
10 ไม้
yes. Okay. No
Mine?
worries, yeah.
100 ค่ะนั่นหนึ่ง10 ไม้10 ไม้
10 บาทเนี่ย
Bumili kami ng 5 piraso. Only barbecue.
อร่อยเนี่ย อร่อย กินคู่กัน
Oh no. Order.
พูดไทย อร่อย อร่อย
Guys, dito sa Thailand, medyo may kaunting language barrier. So, kailangan natin mag-adjust ng pakikipag-usap.
ขอบคุณจ้า ขอบคุณนะคะ
Kapag
สวย
ka
อะใส่เสื้อผ้าสวยสวยประเทศไหนฮะ ประเทศไหน
hanggat maaari ay dahan-dahan ang pagsasalita ng English. So guys, nag-order ako ng nag-order kami ng somtam. Ayan, tingnan natin kung ano yung nilalagay niya. Click and let's see. It's okay. So ayan yung mga ingredients. Masyadong malalim yung kanyang dikdikan. Hindi natin makita. May patis. Meron din yan sugar cane. Ayan yung kulay brown. Ilagyan niya para tumamis ng konti. So, ayun. Sinali na niya yung papaya. Ngayon, nakikita ko na siya. Panay lang yung bayo, oh. So, ayun na. Ready na yung aming in-order na papaya salad. 50 baht.